Still hanging in there with Unit 8. This time we're at Section 5 or Lesson 5. In this homework, you need to draw a dot plot to show the new arrangement of dots. So they're going to give you directions on what they want. So move one dot to the left and one dot to the right so the balance point remain the same. So this one has a balance point of 5. That means my average is 5. Now I could think, okay, I have 5, 10, 15 divided by 3. Well, that equals 5. That'd be my average. Now I need to move these dots, well, 2 of them, one to the left and one to the right, to still have an average of 5. So if I'm moving it to the 9, I know if I move it to 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Well, 15 divided by 3 is still equals 5. Even though I move 2 dots, I still have the same average because my 1 and my 9, they pretty much even out. Number 2, move all of the dots so the balance point remains the same. So this is like saying 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is 24, divided by 3 equals, 8. You notice that because there's a triangle in the middle where the middle median is. Well, the mean is. So I still need to be able to have an average of 8 or a mean of 8. So I need to think, okay, 9 plus 10, it is 19, plus 5, that's 24. So 24 divided by 3 still gives me the mean of 8. Number 3, it says move all of the dots so the balance point changes to a lesser whole number. So I want it to go down. Right now it's 10. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, it's 16 and I want it to move, but I have a dot at 10. So I need to add these dots up, right? So something multiplied by 4 or divided by 4 equals 16. I have like this question mark, right? So I have 64 divided by 4, that should say divided by 4 equals 16. Well, I want to move it to 13. To figure out what my total should be, I can do 13 multiplied by 4 and have the sum of all the numbers. This is just like Unit 5 where we did expressions and equations. So the total that I'm working with is 52. So between the 4 numbers that I have to get to 52. So I'm going to do 10. So now I only have 42 left. I will do 12, which I could do it over here. 10 plus 12 equals 22. Now I have 30 left. Now I can do 14 and 16. That equals 30. I moved all of the dots, and that moved my mean or my middle point down to 13. Number 4. Move all of the dots so the balance point changes to a greater whole number. Draw the new balance point. So right now it's 12, and I have 2 at 11 and 2 at 13. So it's like saying 22 plus 26, which gives me 28 or 48. So between that 48, I divided by 4. I can't believe I'm writing multiply. Like, whoa, crazy self. So I need to move it up. I'm going to move it to 15. So I need to have something that when I multiply by 4, that gives me the sum of my total. So, and I think that's why I wrote it this way, but it did not work out that way. So 60 divided by 4 is 15. I need to have a total of 60. So I'm going to do 18 and 12, knowing that makes 30. And then I could do 17 and 13. That would be 30 as well. Or I could have done 16 and 14 too. When you're doing this, remember back to Unit 5 with expressions and equations, and I know you'll rock it out.